Life insurance doesn't have to break the bank. In today's video, we're going to reveal the top 5 cheapest life insurance companies in the UK for 2025. Whether you're looking to protect your family, cover your mortgage, or simply get peace of mind, these insurers offer affordable and reliable options you can count on. Let's dive in. Stick around until the end because number 1 on this list might surprise you. It's one of the most affordable and offers extra free benefits. Company number 5. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Royal London. Known for flexible policies, Royal London has been around for over 150 years. Their premiums start at just around $5 a month, making them one of the most budget-friendly life insurers in the UK. Company number 4. At number 4, we have Aegon UK. They offer tailored plans that fit your lifestyle, and what's great is their discounts for healthy non-smokers. If you're under 35, you could lock in life cover for less than the price of a Netflix subscription. Company number 3. Number 3 is Aviva. One of the UK's biggest providers, Aviva combines affordability with trust. Their life insurance plans start from as little as £7 per month, and they even include a free will writing service with some packages. Company number 2. Coming in at number 2 is Legal & General. They're a household name and their policies are super competitive. In 2025, you can still find cover starting at just $6 a month, depending on age and health. Company number 1. And finally, at number 1, the cheapest life insurance company in the UK for 2025 is Vitality Life. Not only do they offer some of the lowest premiums, but they also give you rewards for staying active, like discounts on gym memberships, Amazon Prime, and even free coffees. So you're saving money and living healthier. Conclusion and CTA. So, those were the top 5 cheapest life insurance companies in the UK 2025. Remember, the exact price will depend on your age, health, and lifestyle. So, always compare quotes before making a decision. Which company do you think gives the best value? Comment below and let us know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and share this with anyone thinking about life insurance in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.